Guys, don't do it. Do not buy an iPhone. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Don't buy it. I'm an Apple fanboy. I am an Apple sheep. And I'm recommending to you guys, please do not buy. We've all been there. Our phones are lives, our digital life. And what happens when something goes wrong? Well, that exactly happened to me. I forgot my passcode on my phone and I accidentally deleted photos and I could not get into my phone and I was panicking. And what you do when you panic, you go onto Google, you search, and I found this software called Dr.Fone by Wondershare. And boy, was I surprised. 2-3 clicks, passcode removed. 3-4 clicks, photos back. 5-6 clicks. All my WhatsApp conversations from one phone to another. You can transfer your whole digital life from one phone to another phone in about 2-3 clicks, and it doesn't take any effort. Dr.Fone by Wondershare is one of the all-in-one solutions for your mobile. So it's not just about recovering deleted files, it's not just about removing passcodes, it's not just about moving one WhatsApp conversation to another phone. It's about having a healthy digital life and being in control with ease. That's what Dr.Fone does for you by Wondershare. So if you want to know more about this software, then it's down in the description below. Check it out. I promise you it's worth your while. You can do anything to your iPhone, to your Android, to any kind of phone with Dr.Fone by Wondershare. What's up, Lollipop? My name is Joe, and this is going to be an interesting video because I am trying to convince you guys not to buy an iPhone. And why would I do that? Everything that you look around in my studio is Apple. I have my MacBook, I have my iPad, I have my iPhone recording this video, my iPhone 15 Pro Max, I got an iPhone 14 Pro Max over there. And I am saying that you should not buy an iPhone? Yes, but Joe, why are you saying this? Well, the reason I'm saying this is it's August, guys. And within 3 weeks, we are going to have new iPhones. iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. With these new devices, what's going to happen with the old ones? And am I saying for you not to buy those devices either? No. What I am saying is that in this moment, in August, you should not buy an iPhone. And there are two reasons. Number one, iPhones are expensive. And every time a new iPhone comes out, the previous generation gets a little bit cheaper. What Apple does is they bring out the new 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max. And the moment they announce these devices, the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max is gone from their website. It's not available anymore. So from Apple, you cannot buy it. But from resellers, third-party stores, they're still in stock with iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. And what are they going to do? They're going to reduce the prices. So if you're thinking of buying an iPhone right now, then you are still getting it at a higher cost than what it will be in about 3 weeks. And this is the fact every year. If you're new to the iPhones or you're thinking of buying an iPhone for the first time, be aware that every September there's a new iPhone. Sometimes in March too, but that's not really the case anymore. Anyway, September there's a new iPhone, and 2-3 months before, iPhone sales drop because everyone knows the new one is coming out. Either they are waiting for the new one, so they're waiting for the 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, or they want to get today's models at a cheaper price. So every time in September, there is a price reduction for iPhones from the previous generation. And that is why you should never buy it. Actually, what my recommendation is don't really buy from July, August. Wait, because it's not such a long time to wait and it's totally worth it. So number one reason is the price is going to be cheaper. And number two, at this moment in time, we have no idea what the new iPhones are going to be like. We have rumors. We know that the cameras are going to be improved. Then we know the A18 chip is going to be in there. And we know a lot of things. But we don't know 100%. And we don't know what Apple has up its sleeve. What kind of extra features are we going to have? What kind of extra, anything is going to be in this device. So if you're planning on buying a new iPhone and you want that iPhone to work for a couple of years, you want it 3-4 years, then maybe you should wait until the new phone and buy the 16 or 16 Pro, and that phone is going to be a lot better for you on the long run than, for example, an iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max or 15. And the reason is, for example, let's look at the facts right now. iOS 18 is coming out in September, and we already have the developer betas. And the developer beta has Apple Intelligence on it. Now, Apple Intelligence is only available on iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. It's not available on the 15 and 15 Plus and anything below that. If you want to have Apple Intelligence, you either go for the 15 Pro or go for the 15 Pro Max, or you wait until September and you buy the 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, or 16 Pro Max. You might be getting a better deal. If your mission is to have Apple Intelligence on your phone because you want the AI features and everything, then maybe you are going to have a cheaper phone in September than right now that is capable of running Apple Intelligence. Right now, you would need minimum iPhone 15 Pro, and that is more expensive than an iPhone 15. And I guarantee it's more expensive than an iPhone 16 will be. So if Apple Intelligence is something that you're looking forward for, then wait for the iPhone 16. If you don't care about anything else, the fluff around it, then fine. I know there's a lot of things to take in consideration when you're deciding on a new phone, but this was just one example. There are many, many examples like this that you have to think about on what you actually want your phone to do, what do you use it for, and how long you want that phone to be a really good device for you. That's why September is the time to buy. And that's why September is the time for mobile accessories, including the Apollo Easy Fit. This is a screen protector for your phone, and it's like magic. What it does is you have this little bracket, and you put this on your phone, and you hold your phone in your palm, one hand. Then there's this little thingy on here at the end. You pull this. And the reason you pull that is because you don't need to take the dust off. You don't need to do anything with your phone. Take off the smudges and anything like grease, but dust doesn't matter. This will clean your phone, and it will clean it beautifully, and it will place this screen protector on your phone without any problems. No bubbles, no misalignment, no nothing. Also, this has an oleophobic coating on it, so there's not going to be any grease. It's a very smooth surface, so it's going to feel like exactly your iPhone screen, and it's super clear, so it's not going to distort any colors. This is the Apollo Easy Fit. Check in the description for the links. You can find this. Hopefully, it's going to be worldwide soon. It's limited to a couple of countries now, but in the future, you're going to be able to order this without any problem. 1-year warranty. If it doesn't work for you, you send it back, we give back the money. That's how easy it is. So to sum up, iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, and oh yes, 16 Plus. I mean, who cares about 16 Plus? These are coming in September. You should not buy an iPhone right now. It's not worth it. And you know, even if you're just looking for an iPhone 11 or iPhone 12, if you just want to upgrade from a previous generation then it's still going to be cheaper. iPhones are going down year after year, and this is the time to upgrade. This is when everybody upgrades. Plus, a very interesting thing. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, for example, has been out for a year. It's already a year into its life cycle. So if you think longevity, you already lost a year. You're not going to be able to maximize your dollars for the longevity of that device. Let's say this device lasts 6 years. You already lost one. So yours is only going to last 5 years. And meaning 5 years like software support and, you know, the wear and tear and everything around it. You already lost a year. So you're getting less for your money than if you buy it new at the time. That is why you need to think, you need to consider, and you need to wait to see every little detail and all the information about these phones. Because there are a lot of rumors. I did a rumor video, the one before. And yeah, some things are coming, it's gonna be cool, but who knows what it's going to be like at the end. The only time we're gonna know is September 10, allegedly, when they're gonna announce these devices. Then 13, you're gonna be able to pre-order them, and 20th is gonna be in your hand. So let's hope they're great, because now is not the time to buy an iPhone. September is.